this is the latest update for 2026. If you want to run arbitrage blogging, these are the tools you can actually go ahead and install. And so I'm going to be listing out all the tools that I use for my arbitrage blogging. All right, I'm also going to be showing you what they do for me and how I use them. All right, so if you're new to this channel, hit the like button, subscribe to this video channel, and turn on the bell notification icon. Don't forget to like these videos so that other people that need it will also see it on YouTube. All right, so without further ado, let's get into the video right away. Okay, so the first tool that I use to run my arbitrage blogging is Facebook ad library. Okay, most of you knows about Facebook advertisement, okay, but you don't really know that there is a particular library where all the advertisements on meta ad are being shown, okay, which means you can actually see what the next business is talking about on their ad, okay, or the type of ad the next competitor is running for their own page. Okay, and before I run any Facebook ad, I make my research to know the type of ad that are converting. Just go over to your browser and search for Facebook ad library. So these two alone can save you months of testing. Okay, I use it to get the best headlines that are trending at the moment in a specific niche. I also use it to discover image that actually pull clicks. Okay, so remember, we have image creative and we have video creative. Okay, I use it for the both. I also use it to discover how long a particular advertisement has been running from the time it was created. Okay, so for you to get this done for yourself, you just need to head over to this video platform and come over to the ad section right here. Then you have to simply select the country you want to target, then go to the category section. You have to simply add your keyword right here. Okay, once you search for that, this is going to simply show you lots of advertisement people are running on Facebook right now that are active. Okay, and see, these are advertisements right here. If you click on this, it's going to simply take you to Facebook where this ad is running, and you're going to see the clicks, you're going to see the likes, you're going to see the comments, and a lot more. Okay, so this audience network are the advertisements from Facebook which you see on application. All right, so if you scroll down, you're going to see more. You're going to see the ad creative they are using for all of this stuff, and you're going to simply see many of them right here. Okay, remember, you have to simply focus on your own niche so that this can actually work out for you. Right, so this is the first tool I use. If you're not using these two, that means you are missing a whole lot in your arbitrage blogging, all right, in 2026. Okay, so right now in 2026, you have to get things right. That is why I'm showing you my tools, so you can actually use the same tools that I'm using. Okay, so the second tool I use is Semscoop.com. all right, so this is the tool right here that allows me to get a lot of keywords with higher CPM. Okay, so I don't have to make the mistakes of writing content that is not going to simply give me good CPM. Okay, so I use it to checkmate them before actually making my post, okay, and also running my paid advertisement. Okay, so there are other tools which I showed you. That was our previous video, so if you've not watched that video, go ahead and watch the video showing you on your screen right now. Okay, so that you can actually run advertisement that actually convert and also benefit you on your AdSense, on your Astera, Montag, and other ad network. Okay, you can use it to discover high CPC, the search volume, and also the search demand. Okay, so you can simply go ahead and install this tool. It is 100% free of charge. The third tool I use for my arbitrage blogging is the WP Squad. Okay, so this is the WP Squad plugin and other ad and startup plugins. Okay, so if you head over to my blog right here, if you blog plugin, remember, you have to simply get yourself a standard blog website. If you want to run profitable blogging business in 2026, you have to simply get yourself a standard blog website. Okay, it's going to simply help you a lot. Okay, full time. All right, and if you don't have a website blog, go ahead and get a developer to handle all of these things for you, or join us on a Telegram channel. My team can also handle this for you. Okay, go to this plugin section, then go to add new plugin, search for ad. Okay, so these are various ads plugins that I use to run my arbitrage blogging. You can see right here, this is the ad inserter. This one will help you to embed your ads in the right places that will not violate Astera, Montag ad policy. Okay, so this is the first tool right here, and this is the second tool. Okay, you have to install, which is Google Analytics, to see the kind of traffic that are coming in, and there are a lot of plugins you can actually install. Okay, so I'm going to be dropping most of them on our Telegram channel, so you can actually go ahead and install them, all right, on your blog. Don't bother yourself using free blogs or free templates or free page builders thinking you are blogging. You are not actually blogging, you are wasting your time. Okay, if you want to get serious with your business, appear professional, and you're going to simply see people taking you serious. The search algorithm is going to simply take you serious. The ad network you want to apply for are going to simply take you serious. So this is the third tool that I use. So I can't just talk about arbitrage blogging without mentioning this exact particular tool. Okay, so this is called Cloudflare. All right, this particular platform is very much useful to the extent that if you don't have it on your website, so you cannot actually approve you. Okay, this particular website helps to speed up your website, and also it helps to block bad bots from visiting your website. Okay, so remember, if you're running an advertisement, some of your traffic are going to simply be bought. Okay, if your website is connected to this very platform, it's going to simply filter lot of bot traffic from real human traffic. Okay, it's very much useful if you want to run paid ad to your blog website that is already monetized. Okay, it is going to simply help to protect your ad account, okay, from invalid click and bot traffic. Okay, you can simply go ahead and install it on your website. All you need to do is simply go ahead and sign up and add your website, get the right thing connected, and you are good to go. All right, so the next tool that I use to run my arbitrage blogging, which I don't actually joke with, is Google Analytics. Okay, so this is Google Analytics right here. You guys know about Google Search Console, where you see your traffic and also the kind of ranking you're getting, but this one right here is also a powerful tool that all bloggers can actually use in 2026 to get things done faster for themselves. Okay, this tool right here allows you to see where your traffic is coming from, your behaviors of your traffic, your audience and your readers, how long they stayed on your website, what they click, the particular post they read, and all of that. Okay, and the country that they watch from, the country they click from, the mobile phone they're using, the type of mobile phone they're using, both Android or iOS. It is going to simply give you lots of details about your audience. Okay, and if you have the details about your audience, it is also going to simply help you scale up your game on the blogging industry. Okay, so this particular tool right here is going to simply help you to discover the particular page or blog post that is getting you the highest revenue. Okay, and you have to simply set it up on your website. If you have your website, just go over to your website right here and you search for Google Site Kit. Okay, scroll down right here, you're going to see this is the reason why I tell you guys to go for standard blogs. Okay, if you're using all of these blogger templates, you're using Wix, you're using this and that, all these page builder that doesn't actually help you monetize, you're going to simply be missing a lot, and all of these things have a lot of limitations. Okay, but if you just go straight to the point and get yourself a standard blog website, it's going to simply handle all of these things for you. You can see you can install anything you want, you can make any changes you want, you can remove things, you can add things. You're going to simply be in control of your website, okay, and your blog. All right, you can see with this particular site kit right now installed, you're going to simply manage your search console, your search speed, analytics, and a lot more, even your AdSense, a lot more. Okay, connect your site kit to your analytics right here, and it's going to simply be connected to your website. Okay, so this particular tool right here, which I've already shown you, are the top best tools you can actually go ahead and install on your website and set up on your website before even starting arbitrage blogging in 2026. Okay, but if you have all of these tools without knowing the right platform for you to run these ads, that's going to simply weigh you down and it's going to simply discourage you the more. Okay, so I can't just tell you my tools without showing you where I run this ad from. All right, so the first platform that I run my ad, number one, is Facebook advertisement. Okay, so just go over to your Facebook ad right here. I've already made a couple of videos about Facebook advertisement, so if you head over to your facebook.com/ad manager, you're going to simply go ahead and create an account right here. Remember, you're going to simply sign in with your Facebook account. Okay, so this is my own Facebook account right here. I'm already logged in. Okay, go ahead and log in and sign up your account. This is the Facebook ad. This is where you're going to simply run an ad. Go over to your Facebook ad manager, then you click on the create button, then you have to simply select the campaign objective, add your budget, go ahead and select your location where you want to target, and add your ad creative and get this thing done for yourself. Okay, your ad will be published and start showing on Facebook. So the next tool that I use to run my ad is TikTok advertisement. Okay, so you can't talk about arbitrage without talking about TikTok. Most dropshipping creators normally use TikTok to drive a lot of traffic to their Shopify stores to get sales, but this tool right here can actually help you with your blog traffic. Okay, and the best part is that you can run advertisement in your own currency. Okay, I've already made a video on how to run TikTok ad. You can go to your browser from your mobile phone. It is going to simply take you to TikTok for business. Okay, this one is TikTok ad manager. Okay, go ahead and set up your advertisement. I've already made a video about that. So if you want to run advertisement successfully on all of these very platforms, you need a video ad creative. Okay, so where do I get my video ad creative? For Facebook, for TikTok, for Instagram, and a lot. I use this particular bundle right here. This is where you're going to simply see lots of video ad creative you can simply use to run your ads on various niches, other niches with higher CPM. Okay, and that is going to simply help you a lot. Okay, and the best thing you have to do for me if you're running a paid ad is to make sure that whatever thing your ad talks about is what you write on your blog. For instance, if you get this particular bundle, right, you're going to see hundreds of videos right here in various niches. Okay, so if you pick scholarship, you will watch that particular video very well and see what the video talks about, then go over to your blog and make some scholarship posts. Not only one, you can make like 5 posts. Okay, then make sure you post them on your blog website, then start running your ad. So go ahead and get this for yourself and it's going to simply help you a lot. Okay, and also don't forget to join us on Telegram channel, WhatsApp channel. So if you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this video channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. All right, so I'm going to simply see you in the next video.